Ever pulled into a crowded parking lot and thought, I wish my car could just park itself? Well, if you own a Tesla, that wish is a reality. But how does it actually work? Let's dive in. Tesla's autopark feature is a marvel of modern engineering. It's like having a personal valet, but without the tip. But don't be fooled, it's not magic. It's a complex system of sensors, cameras, and software working in harmony. The first thing to understand is the car's perception of its environment. Tesla uses a combination of radar, ultrasonic sensors, and high-resolution cameras to build a 360-degree picture of the world around it. This is where the magic really starts. The car's computer processes this data in real time, creating a detailed map of its surroundings. It identifies potential parking spots, calculates the optimal path, and then executes the parking maneuver. Now, let's talk about the different types of parking you can do with autopark. There's parallel parking, perpendicular parking, and even summoning your car from a tight spot. Each of these maneuvers requires different levels of complexity and precision. Parallel parking is probably the most impressive. It's like watching a ballet. The car slowly creeps into a tight spot, making minute adjustments as it goes. It's almost like it's thinking, no problem, I got this. Perpendicular parking is a bit simpler, but still requires the car to accurately judge distances and angles. And then there's summoning. This is where things get really fun. Imagine sitting outside a restaurant, waiting for your table. With autopark, you can summon your car from a tight parking spot right to you. It's like having a robotic butler. But before you start thinking that autopark is a completely hands-off system, let's be clear. You still need to be vigilant. The system is designed to assist you, not replace you. Keep your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. And always be ready to intervene if something unexpected happens. So, how do you actually activate autopark? Well, it's pretty straightforward. Once you've identified a parking spot, engage the Park Assist feature on your touch screen. The car will then scan the area and suggest potential parking spots. If you're happy with the suggestion, simply select it and let the car do its thing. But remember, autopark is not a magic bullet. It works best in clear, well-lit conditions. Snow, rain, and heavy traffic can impact its performance. And of course, the size of the parking spot is crucial. If it's too tight, even the best technology will struggle. So, there you have it. Autopark is a game changer. It makes parking a breeze and adds a touch of futuristic cool to your driving experience. But remember, it's a tool, not a replacement for your driving skills. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.